Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A study found that over 86% of people who believed they were sensitive to gluten did not show any sensitivity when tested. Everyone who carries the redhead gene is directly related to the first person ever to have red hair. Photographs of algae published in 1845 was the first book ever to contain photographs. Google Maps Street View include 360-degree views of Mount Everest Base Camp. Tupperware was invented by a chicken salesman. Nikola Tesla, the father of electricity, polished each piece of cutlery with 18 napkins before eating. Strawberry blonde is the rarest type of blonde hair. Sloths mistakenly grab their arms instead of the branches of a tree and they fall to their deaths. Germany has officially abolished college tuition fees even for international students. Even if your lungs filled up with the same amount of liquid, it could take an extra 10 minutes for you to drown in salt water than it would in fresh water. Facebook is cited in one-third of UK divorce cases. You are not stuck in traffic, you are traffic. The 2003 World Poker Champion, who won $2.5 million for a $39 entry fee, is called Chris Moneymaker. All the humans on the planet could fit into 1 cubic mile. We tend to prefer the original version of a song because we heard it first, not necessarily because it's better. A tree is the opposite of your lungs physically and functionally. Every minute, 1.8 million new likes are made on Facebook. Mayonnaise is made from oil and eggs. Some spiders can walk on water because air gets trapped under the hairs on their legs and their weight can be supported almost entirely by surface tension. A person can live without food for about a month but only about a week without water if the amount of water in your body is reduced by just 1%. You will feel thirsty. If it's reduced by 10%, you will die. Close-up of a bee collecting nectar. Long weekly working hours. The deepest fish ever recorded in the ocean is at 8,336 meters in Japan. Twinkies were originally made with a banana cream filling until there was a banana shortage during World War II that forced the company to switch to vanilla cream filling. Gull with a sea star in its mouth. The banned Puma contact lenses worn at the 1996 Olympics by sprinter Linford Christie. Tesla's Model S has achieved the best safety rating in history. You could stack 4 cars on top of it and its roof would not cave in. Being hungry could cause an ocean of crazy feelings. Male koala grieves death of a female. Conservationists in South Africa are infusing a special red dye into the horns of live rhinos. The mixture renders the horn completely useless to poachers trying to sell it commercially and is also toxic for human consumption. The mesmerizing pink salt lakes of Western Australia. Bat Falcon returns to the branch with a small dragonfly. There were real life hobbit people living on an Indonesian island 18,000 years ago. Fully grown adults were only about 1.1 meter tall. Studies show that they were likely a result of insular dwarfism, where species trapped on an island shrink in size. Disney once considered building a park dedicated entirely to villains called Dark Kingdom, which would have featured Maleficent's castle as its iconic centerpiece. You can tour the Smithsonian without leaving your house. Washington, D.C.'s National Museum of Natural History has a virtual tour of the entire museum that you can navigate with your desktop or mobile phone. In 2021, Argentine farmer Juan de Dios Sota made a stunning discovery while tending his field near Rincon de Valley. Four massive Glyptodon armored shells buried for over 10,000 years. Sunlight is essential for human health and well-being. The health benefits of sunlight include generating the production of vitamin D, supporting bone health, lowering blood pressure, preventing disease, and promoting good mental health. How India will look in 2050. India's population will be far ahead than China and USA till 2050. India will witness 80% electric vehicle usage till 2050 and completely replace old diesel and petrol car. Summer will be more hotter, winter will be less colder. India will become third largest economy and power in world till 2050. India will have 100 plus smart cities and 99% of the rural areas will be turned into basic city level. Thanks for watching.